All right, so let's continue our discussion on this problem. So first step is always to draw the free body diagram. You can see I have resolved the 15 Newton force, which is in the downward direction, making an angle of 40 degree into components. One is the 15 cos 40 and the other is 15 sin 40. Now, if you see the other two forces which are acting on the body are frictional force and the weight. So you can see the frictional force has been shown in the brown font where the body is touching the ground, and weight has also been shown downwards. Now comes the tricky part, which is, to calculate friction, we need the the normal reaction. And normal reaction, as you can see, normally is mg, but in this case, you have an external force of 15 sine 40 also, pressing down this block. So which means the net normal reaction force is sum of weight and 15 sine 40. So, and then using this new normal reaction, which is different from just mg, you can calculate the frictional force of mu into n. So you can see mu into n is the frictional force and has been calculated as 10.985. If we know the frictional force, we also know the horizontal component of the applied force, subtract the two, and that is a net horizontal force, which will give you the horizontal acceleration as 0.144. Thank you very much.